So, are we gonna like start the video?
Yeah, no, this is part of the video. This is part of like the lead up. That's why I got you to turn on the camera.
Oh, okay. What are we looking at here?
Okay, so these are glow-in-the-dark Yeezys. These are set to release, I don't know when, but they said yesterday that they were going to come out for sure. You thinking what I'm thinking, though?
Oh, looks like to be pretty good for raging.
So, raging?
Well,
like a rave?
Yeah.
Where'd you even hear that? It's good.
I was just watching Napoleon Dynamite with my dad the other night.
Napoleon, I don't think they rave in it. Yeah, no, true though. Yeah, you're right. You could definitely rage in these. For sure.
Yeah. So, listen, man. There's something I wanted to like bring up while we're filming and stuff because I think the boys would appreciate. Yeah.
I had a script for this video, but I guess if you want to talk, yeah. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
You want it on camera with the boys?
Yeah, I think they'd like it. I mean, like, you should probably be sitting down for this, bro. Like, it's big.
I'm sitting down already, and you could have a seat over there if you'd like.
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, I was just saying that for the bit, like.
Just sitting. Okay, no, that's funny.
Okay.
People say that. Is this big news or what? Are you listening to this? Okay, the boys are hearing this. This is on.
Yeah, it's on.
This is taking a turn. Okay, what's up?
I'm like 90% sure it's on.
What's up?
At least, I met a girl.
You met a girl?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Where?
Yeah. I was at the dog park. You know.
Like the one by our house, or what? It doesn't matter. Okay, and what's her name?
And it's Tanisha.
Tanisha, right on.
Yeah,
Colored maybe. That's fine. Doesn't matter. That's awesome.
Why would you mention that?
But, I don't know. I just sorry. Take a minute. You met a girl. So
yeah,
walking your dog. What happened?
Well, my dog just kind of like got off the leash and it like kind of like chased this other dog.
Tale.
But like
so it was her dog. That's sick. So have you gone out with her at all or what?
Well, it wasn't actually her dog, but
I haven't
anyway,
seen you in like a week.
Yeah.
Comes up. Okay, all right. This is great. I'm glad that you're bringing this up, boys. This is sick. Leave thumbs up down below for Cameraman Ian. So have you asked her out, or what did you get a number?
Yeah.
Did you just meet a girl?
Well, I did get her number. I was like, well, I didn't actually get her number. It doesn't actually work. But I think she gave me the wrong, like one of the digits was wrong or something. But I asked her out to.
That actually happens a lot.
I asked her out to a steakhouse the other night, and she's.
So how did you come in contact with her then, if you didn't get her right number?
Well, I just when I talked to her, I asked her, and she said like she'd think about it.
Oh, okay, cool.
So like, yeah, I went there the other night, and like, yeah.
And?
Well, and I guess she couldn't make it, but like.
You're joking, right? You got stood up.
Well, I mean, I don't know why she couldn't make it. Like,
oh, okay. No, that's fine, dude. That's
like,
awesome, though, man. She probably just like maybe car accident or something like that.
Yeah, I think she did. I think she said her dog was like pretty sick or something.
Oh so. Yeah, for sure. It must have been sick at the park, right?
Well, it looked okay, but I think she said she expected it to get sick.
Right.
So, like,
yeah, or like another dog might have gotten sick. That's crazy though, man. What a freaking development. That's awesome. Thank you for bringing that up. The boys, leave comments down below. Cameraman Ian's trying. He's making it. And if you ever see her at the park, so the number doesn't work at all?
No, it just...
Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. If you ever see her at the park again, you know, give her a wave and maybe like wait for her to come over to you or something. Like play hard to get this time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to come off like, hey, like, what happened? You know what I mean? Because she's clearly going through stuff with her dog. So maybe next time just kind of like, just wave at her, give her a little nod, and yeah, that's awesome, man. That's really great.
Okay.
Thank you for that.
Right.
Wow.
Okay.
Anyway, back in action. Yeah. We're back in the action, boys. We're killing it as always. Appreciate Cameraman Ian for being back. What's up, buddy? You guys have been sharing with me on Instagram a lot lately from yesterday that these glow-in-the-dark Yeezys are supposed to be coming out. The first thing you guys said is, NameBran, you best be making those real soon. Guess what? Next day comes around, we're making them, boys. Sorry for the little delay in the video. This is something I'm sorry if I took up too much time. For what? In the video?
Yeah.
Oh no, dude, don't even worry about that. The boys flipping appreciate that, right, boys?
Okay,
honestly, man, that's like a success story waiting to happen. You know
okay, yeah, that's why I brought it up. That's why I thought that people would want to hear.
For sure, no, absolutely. Anyway, boys, so we have this white Yeezy right here. Now, this is going to be real simple. This isn't necessarily a tutorial, but it is if you want to make it. White Yeezy, we got to have something to make it glow in the dark correct.
Yeah.
Come over here. So, boys, I got this at some store today. I think you can get them at Walmart. This is glow in the dark spray paint.
Wait, what? Oh, that's sick. Like it glows in the dark?
This glows in the dark,
Like
yeah.
like it makes things glow in the dark.
Yeah, so if you look at this, you can make like a light switch glow in the dark if you want to have googly eyes on it. I don't know why that's an example, but
Oh man, that's so sick.
Yeah, man. I actually have an
make-
extra bottle if you need
I
it.
can make so much glow in the dark.
Oh, for sure. You mind if I just, yeah, no, that's fine. So anyway, we got this stuff right here. I thought this would be a little bit harder to do. I was actually looking for glow-in-the-dark paint. They didn't have any. What they had was glow-in-the-dark spray paint. All right, man, no more time to waste. We gotta take
I'm sorry about that again.
Ian, I'm just doing the little voiceover. Spray paint the shoe like we spray painted our grandma's coffin black, but she didn't leave us enough money after she passed away.
Wow, that is harsh.
Yeah, well, a little bit.
Oh, dude, you actually are spray painting in here.
Yep.
Oh, I thought that was just for the bit.
Hell no, dude.
Damn, you just don't give a shit, do you?
I don't.
Just don't care.
And without further ado, boys, Ian actually had to leave. We ended up finishing the custom, but it doesn't even show it that well, man. This is actually like a glow-in-the-dark green. It kind of shows it a little bit. This thing turned out really, really dope. You guys let me know. Hold on, we're gonna do a little test real quick. I don't know if it'll show up. It hardly shows. Oh no, that's dope. So as y'all can see, we got the glow-in-the-dark Yeezy right there. I gotta do a little bit more on the bottom, but I just wanted to finish this up and we're gonna make it so there's no like splotchy marks. But that's how it turned out, boys. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fams, real Sean, Merkin the game, the greatest of all time. Bruh, I didn't think that we'd have Can we just talk about Ian for a second? I guarantee you he did not say to me, first off, that he wanted to say anything at the beginning of the video, nor did I know that story that was gonna happen. And I think that was probably the most monumental thing we've ever had happen on the channel. That was absolutely insane. So, sorry if the video is kind of long because of that, because I don't think I want to cut any of that out. I think all of that was absolute gold. And you guys know we're going to try to hook up Ian beyond belief for the next little while. That dude needs somebody. Was that not the saddest story we've ever heard? I'm just like, I'm just thinking back on that now. I kind of forgot about that part because we got busy into filming. But anyway, guys, you let me know what you thought about that. Sorry if the video's a little longer because of that, but I think that's the gold that we need in every video. And wow, that was awesome. Appreciate y'all for watching, NameBran fans. Real Sean, Merkin the game, the greatest of all time. Once again, you guys let me know if you tried this to any of your shoes. These are actually, I forgot to say, these are fake because I don't have any real ones in stock. I also don't really care to do this to real ones. But if you guys want to try this, these are like probably $5 on Wish or something like that. So we will actually be giving these away as well. I don't need these. I got no reason for them. If you guys watch this far in the video, all you guys gotta do, sorry this is uncut, I gotta edit this up real quick, I'm going to a wedding tonight. All you guys gotta do is like this video, leave a comment down below, something about Cameraman Ian. Oh my god. Well, it's a pre-game a little bit, got some beers in me. Also, yeah, say something about Cameraman Ian. I gotta hit the notification button, and my Instagram's right here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram and you let me know through the DMs that you entered in this way, I will pick one of you guys for this shoe. You may have to pick shipping depending on where you live, or pay for shipping depending on where you live, because I'm not trying to spend a bunch of money on this stupid ass sneaker. But anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Wow.